In this video I'm gonna show you how you can make money simply watching YouTube videos and completing surveys. I'm gonna show you step by step. So first of all, this is the site where you can basically view websites, complete surveys, watch videos, 20,000 payments sent, promote sites, and basically you see view ads, get paid to view websites and explore the internet, watch videos, and you can see everything. Now just click on sign up now and just fill out all your details. One tip is to country, when it's country, to select United States, even if you're not from United States, but use Proton VPN, and that's basically what I recommend as a VPN, and it's basically, I think, the best free VPN out there, in my opinion. If you don't want to spend money on VPN or proxies, just click this download and you can on Windows, Apple, Android, Linux. Now I just opened Proton VPN and you have United States Connect, and just connect. Once you're done that, you're just logging into your account. You're gonna get paid through your PayPal, and first of all, go to earn, view sponsored ads. You can see all this, how you can earn, view sponsored ads, and you're gonna get paid through cubes, and this is a small cash that you can earn basically, but you can earn Peanut Labs offer wall, and just go through all this and you will see, if an offer displays a pay of 2,000, you will earn two pounds. 2,000 cubes is 2 pounds.
Nice.
Okay, now it's not available, and personal.ly, and basically surveys, and now 3,000 cubes is 3 pounds. Ads and media offer wall. See how much you can earn. This 3,000, and just all this plus you're gonna get how many cubes, and just do it. Okay, now it's not available because you have to be consistent. I guess see how many cubes. There's all offers. 2,000 you will get, and just open the game and finish level 12 within 11 days. See, try out this and you how much you're gonna get cubes, and download. Basically this is like download some games or sign up for something, complete the survey, launch the time box software, and you're gonna get how many cubes. Look at it, how many.
Lots and lots and
okay,
lots
now
and lots.
it's just see what is available. You're gonna earn cubes, 4 cubes funds, offers, and yeah, and that's basically what you can do. Now just go sell cube. What cube would you like to sell? How much would you like to list your for? Like pay to go earnings. Just sell your cubes and you can earn money. So I want to show you another site that you can get paid. Look, watch videos, read emails, play video games, share links, and in a bunch of different ways. And just head over to sign up and just create a free account. Just enter your email, join, and complete your first microtest and will instantly double your earnings. So this is first name, last name, and all this. Your PayPal address will be requested when you cash out. So you're gonna be paid via your PayPal, and I'm not gonna do this, but what I'm going to show you is that, okay, you have to please verify your email address. Just do it. Money. Yeah, I need to verify my email, so I'll be back. Okay, I just verified my email, and you're gonna get link. Just go to make money, and you have like this: micro tasks, daily price, where links go, pay to promote, traffic and change, win $10.
Oh my
So
gosh, yeah.
daily price, what is, and you just pick, you want $1
Nice.
cash. Micro tasks, what you have, personally very popular. See, service for you, plus 31 cents, 30 cents, and surveys or some other stuff for you. Okay, just this is just a small passive income, pay to promote, and just how you can cash out is basically go to your account and money earned cash out, and see you required for cash out $10 including 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Example, $10 including $5 of micro tasks. See how much minimum to cash out. You must have a valid PayPal address or valid Bitcoin address to withdraw all your earnings from WordLinks. So yeah, that's basically it. Just do it, all this, make money, and try all this. WordLinks Go on cash by receiving emails, pay to promote, go through all this and see if you can earn some money. So yeah, that's basically in this video. I hope you enjoy it, and see you in the next video.